Oh gosh, okay, yeah. Are you ready? Sorry.
No, you're good.
So actually yesterday, September 11th, was our 11th year that we opened the Cast Iron Grill. This was not my idea to have this restaurant. My pastor encouraged me to write in my prayer journal for the things that really I want answers to. And so that's what I did. So I started praying in my journal, Lord, use me to make a difference in someone's life. And I actually prayed that prayer for a year. God doesn't call the equipped, He equips the called. The Lord's ideas for my life are so much bigger than I can even fathom. And what a blessing that is, because I never dreamed any of this. I had never made a pie before in my life. And so at 38 years old, I am learning something completely new. I cried over those pies. I got recipes from my families. They were all old-fashioned pies. It became a beautiful passion. Love it. This guy wants me to do this, he wants a pie for the holidays. I was shocked. I was like, you want one of my pies for your family? Surely your wife, grandmother, someone else can do a lot better than I do. So I called the guy the next day and I give him the price of the pie, and it was outrageous. And I'm apologizing on the phone saying, I am so sorry, this is how much it is, thank you for calling, I hope you have a great holiday. And he's like, oh no, Teresa, I want 4 of those pies. I never expected to be in the pie business. So 2007, I sold 4 pies for the holidays. And in 2017, last year, from November to Christmas, we sold almost 600. When I was the full-time baker for almost 6 years. And, I was able to pray over each pie. When we were putting this place together, we had a pair of boots. My husband's father died quite a few years ago, and so to have him a part of this place, we hung his boots. And we put his name on the bottom of them, and that way he was here right when you walked in. He's right up there. And from then, never in a million years did we know what we were doing. So there was some hot pink top boots sitting on the podium. And I was like, where'd these come from? And they said, someone left them, we don't know. But they said, there's holes all in these boots, and they want it on the bottom. God's love never wears out. I have one family that comes in once a year, and they eat underneath their granddaddy's boots. That's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I have a few license plates that my car guys have brought me. One of my guys that works for a dealership, he had his own personal license plate collection. And it was pretty cool. And there's about 25 or 30 of them. So he brought them to me and he goes, you can have them, do whatever you want with them. I just want someone to use them. I'm attached to a lot of things, but I've never been attached to a license plate. Now these license plates, people send to me from all over the country. They put little notes and they say, we were traveling from New York or Oregon or Seattle, and we want to be a part of what you got going on here. For about 8 years, we were so blessed to be a part of and serving the homeless community here in Lubbock. I'll be real honest, I had never worked with homeless people before, and I probably was not very sympathetic, would probably be the best thing for me to say. I was not very thoughtful and mindful. I was not the kind of Christian, obviously, that I should be, to be very honest. It's actually kind of a strange story. Well, it's such a God thing, to be really honest with you. I'm seating people. One day we were so busy, and I seat this gentleman and I run away, because I'm so busy. And he kind of, when I'm coming back to him, he leans out and he says, does my name ring a bell to you? And I said, no, sir. And he goes, well, I work with the homeless community here in Lubbock at St. Benedict's. Does that mean anything to you? So let me tell you how God works. When you put the guy right in my restaurant. And that's what I was supposed to do. And I said, Alan, let me go clear the door. But I think I'm supposed to feed the homeless with you. It's community helping community. And it is a fantastic thing. And I'm so honored that Shelby and I were able to be a part of that organization and feeding people's souls for a long time.